Hello everyone, how are you? Today I am going to talk about the chapter 12 biology, class 12 biology chapter 3rd human reproduction part 3rd. This is the part 3rd of chapter 3rd. We discussed our study in previous video about the male sex organ and female sex organ. Male sex organ is mainly that they produce the male gametes is the testis, and organ they produce ovum is the ovary. Ovum is the female gametes and sperm is the male gametes. Sperm produced in testis and ovum produced in ovary. The process of formation of gametes is the gametogenesis. We discuss in this video about the gametogenesis. You can see here gametogenesis. The primary sex organ, the testis, in the male and the ovary in the female produced gametes, sperm and ovum respectively by the process called gametogenesis. These are the gametogenesis. We also know about the testis. Testis had 250 compartment, and this compartment is the testicular lobules, and in testicular lobule present seminiferous tubules, and in seminiferous tubules present male germ cell or spermatogonia. Spermatogonia cell or germ cell produce the sperm. We study in previous video about this, and also the Sertoli cell. Today we discuss about the formation of sperm or male gametes. If male germ have one is the spermatogonium, and if one then more, these are the spermatogonia. We can see this diagram. Spermatogonium, this cell is the spermatogonium. Spermatogonium cell undergoes mitosis division. This spermatogonium cell they undergoes mitosis division. And this number is the 46 chromosomes. And this is also 46 chromosome. And they increase in number. At puberty period. Means at puberty period, spermatogonium cell undergoes mitosis division, and they increase their numbers. In some spermatogonium cell undergoes meiotic division, not mitosis division. They are undergoes meiotic division. This cell is the primary primary spermatocytes. This cell is the spermatocytes. Once again, the spermatogonium cell undergoes mitosis division, and they increase their size. You can see here, but in some spermatogonium cell undergoes meiotic division. This division is the meiotic division. This division is meiotic division. Whose cell undergoes meiotic division? This cell is the primary spermatocytes, and this cell who divide into two cells and again four cells. This cell is the secondary spermatocytes. These are 46 chromosomes, but these are 23 chromosomes, and these are N haploid, and these are 2N diploids. Okay, so this is the so this is the spermatogonium, and this is the Sertoli cell. This is the primary spermatocytes. And this is the secondary spermatocytes. Okay, and they again transfer into spermatids, and the spermatids embedded are connected with head of spermatids. Embedded are attached with spermatids, and they again transfer into spermatozoa, and they release in seminiferous tubules. Okay, once again, spermatogonia cell undergoes mitosis division, and they increase in number. In some spermatogonium cell undergoes meiotic division. Who spermatogonium cell undergoes meiotic division, not mitosis division, meiotic division. This cell is the primary spermatocytes, and they divide into two and again also four. This is the secondary spermatocytes, and they again change into spermatids. And spermatids head attached are embedded with the Sertoli cell, and they form the spermatozoa. and again spermatozoa transfer into sperm, and they release in seminiferous tubules. Okay, so this is the formation of male gametes. No? You can see here that this is the spermatogonia. They are undergoes mitosis division. Primary spermatocytes first meiotic division, and they again makes secondary spermatocytes and second meiotic division. They form spermatoids and they again transfer into spermatozoa, and again they mix sperm. You can see here this diagram. You can see at puberty one cell undergoes mitosis division and they mix many cell. In many cell, one cell undergoes meiotic division. This cell is the primary spermatocytes, and again they divide. This cell is the secondary spermatocytes. Again they produce mix four sperm. You can see here. The sperm is N, not 2N. Okay. You can see here. This is the diagram or structure of the sperm. They have three parts. First, head, tail, and middle part. Head, tail, and middle parts. Okay. Above part, this inside the plasma membrane and the acrosomes. This head part is the acrosome, and this is the nucleus, contain chromosomal materials, and this is the neck, this is the middle piece, and this is the mitochondrial, and this is the tail. This all process means gametogenesis is completed with the help of hormone, or you can say in other hand that the hormone control the gametogenesis process. We know about the hormone in 11th class. So you know that all mechanism controlled by the hormone. Okay. So this is the gametogenesis. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this video. Okay, thanks.